Mm. Hey there, everyone. Pastor Padron here.
Bruh.
And I am recording this video from a secret location in North Carolina where I am currently on vacation with the family. And yesterday I had the opportunity to go to Laudisi Enterprises in South Carolina, just over the border, and got a tour with Kaz Walters, who's the um, for all intents and purposes, the director down there at LDG, and he was able to give me a great tour of the facilities. If you don't know, Laudisi Enterprises incorporates SmokingPipes.com, Laudisi Distribution Group, and Cornell and Deal, and they're all in the same facility. And I was able to get a really nice tour of the place. Here's a little video of the that gives you a picture of the size of the operation. You can see in it a lot of the just A, the size of the place, and B, the massive amount of pipes and tobaccos that you can see on the shelves here. It is a really huge facility, very well organized, very clean, and I was really impressed. Now, as you can imagine, there were places that I could take pictures of, take some videos of, and there were places that I could not. That said, I was able to find out some things that I think would interest you. For instance, here, Kaz introduces me to the soon-to-be released Peterson Christmas pipe and their pipe of the year. Watch this.
So this is the Christmas pipe this year. It started getting all in.
Peterson's Christmas pipes? Nice.
Deluxe systems. Copper mouth.
Sweet. That.
Here is pipe of the year.
Look at that, people.
Wow!
Beautiful grain on that. He was also able to give me a peek at the Savinelli St. Nicolas pipes for this year, and they are really, really good looking. There'll be a little bit more about that at the end of the video, but here's that. These are the St. Nick's pipes for this year.
Oh!
Wow, I love this stem.
Yeah, they did really well this year.
Wow. Very nice. He also gave me a little pic of some autographs that they had there.
These are grade 8.
Look at that. Oh, wow. Those are fantastic.
One long grade 6.
Mm-hmm. Look at that. Gorgeous sitter.
And our same blasters.
Oh, that's a real interesting stem.
Mm-hmm. It's the tortoiseshell acrylic.
Mm-hmm. That's got a cool stem, too.
I think that's what's
Weird.
currently being used on the Boscos.
In addition to pipes, Laudisi Distribution Group also sells cigars. So one of the places that he wanted to show me was the humidor for that is shared by SmokingPipes.com and Laudisi Distribution Group for their cigar selection, and it was also impressive. very neat, very organized, as you can see in this video here. It's a wonderful, wonderful place. Um, couldn't believe some of the stuff they had in there. Very, very cool indeed. I was also able to ascertain that Seattle Pipe Club blends are being produced on a regular basis. And here's the proof right here. Those blends are being produced on the same machines um, that were being used to create those materials when Sutliff was making them. So uh, very, very cool. Again, I wasn't able to take any pictures of that. I was, however, able to sneak a little bit of video of pressing of a block of Briar Fox. And here in this video, you can see it coming out of the initial press that basically gets the tobacco into that cake form. And once it is all wrapped up, papered up, taped up, it gets put into machines that put it under the appropriate amount of pressure for the appropriate amount of time. As you can see here, there are lots of these presses that can all be set to various weights and for various times. Some of them need to be done by hand and checked every day. Others of them, newer ones, are now computerized and they just watch themselves and the pressure that things are out need to be under and automatically adjust as needed. It's actually quite cool. I can also tell you that Carolina Red Flake is currently being produced. I watched it being mixed on several tables. Very, very cool stuff. It smells delicious. I was also able to smoke some of it myself, and I can tell you that it is very, very good. And when it hits, I will do a review of that. That'll be out in the coming month or so. One of the things, while we're talking about that, that I was really impressed with, Cornell and Deal is fond of saying everything is packed lovingly by hand in their facility. They are not joking. Watching them prepare stuff that's being tinned, there's people who are literally taking empty tins of tobacco, filling them by hand on a scale until they get to the appropriate weight. Most of them are 2 ounces, 8 ounces, or a pound. And labels applied by hand using a glue stick. It really is very hands-on, labor-intensive stuff done in a very traditional, old-fashioned way. I was really impressed with that. I also saw that HU tobaccos have arrived back at their facility. They come from overseas, from Cop Tobacco, in huge, huge boxes of just loose tobacco. And they are individually tinned at Cornell and Deal. And all these big boxes here that you see are all filled with various blends of HU tobacco. So if you've been waiting for those to come back into stock at your local shop, they will be available soon. And that is very good news. And last but not least, how can I go to LDG and not pick out a pipe for myself? And so I really was taken with the way the Savinelli St. Nicolas pipes were looking this year. Decided on a 626 for myself. Here's a little video of me picking out my pipe from the facility. Hey everybody, Pastor Padron here, and I am inside Laudisi Enterprises' massive facility. And while I'm here, I thought that,
I'd pick up a St. Nick pipe for myself. And let's see, my size that I'm looking for, the 626, is all right here. We're look inside this box, see what's from my wife. What a nice little bag. Got a little Santa sack there. Whoa, look at that. That is wicked cool. We got some of these coming to twins. Not all of me though. Pretty much all gone, right, Cass?
All gone.
They're all gone already. So I figured I'll just get mine here instead of taking it out of the stock at the store. Can't wait to light this puppy up.
And for your viewing pleasure, here is that pipe now, and I figured I would unbox it and show it to you so you can see it maybe a little bit better. They come in the bright red box that we're all used to. Inside the box, you get all the Savinelli paperwork that comes with all of their pipes, the little adapter to make it a 3mm if you want. And then, of course, the red sack, which I pointed out in the video. And look at this. Look at that gorgeous gal. Oh, my goodness. That, my friends, is a beautiful pipe. And I love the stem. That is incredible. I love the silver, the red, the green. Savinelli just makes incredible stems. The acrylic that they use is just fantastic. But let's open this up here. And you see it's got the Savinelli balsa system in there, which I don't use. And let's get that on nice and straight. Oh, yeah. Let's load this puppy up, shall we? There we go. Oh, yeah. Very nice draw.
Yes.
The 626 is a classic looking pipe. Great little bent apple, medium-sized bowl. I love the shape. Very, very nice. And a nice little gift for myself on my vacation. Little pre-Christmas gift. We have some of these pipes coming to twins. I'm very happy for that because apparently the whole line is basically pre-sold, at least what LDG has. You probably get them through smoking pipes too for a while. If you like the Savinelli Christmas pipes, this is a great one to pick up, and I highly recommend it. Anyway, this is Pastor Padron coming at you from my vacation. I'm going to get back to some fun time with the family, and I will be talking with you soon. Stay smoky, my friends. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.